Alright, well, I spent a bit of today just, you're trying to get my submarine to work. But I realised there's only 4 wires, but there's 6 pins. So, I might be missing power to my stable motor, which would be the whole problem. Alright, the colour sensor is up and running.
Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
Yeah, I never heard of that word before. Alright, the colour sensor's up and running. It currently says that it's white. If we get a little black thing,
I actually don't know what it means.
then usually it will say that it's like black. It says yellow.
Toby, it's a fermented milk drink with a sour taste.
Right, so it's a noun then. Okay, back to my video. So it says it's black, yeah? So this is working really well, okay?
Toby,
Except for the fact it does not work for any other colour. Basically, it's working for black and that's about it. Like, I'll put it on my pencil case and it's saying that it's white. But like, surely if I tell it what the colour like range should be, it doesn't need to know what colour, it just needs to work out the right one, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Alright, well anyway, yeah, so next is just continue to experiment with this, basically. So, I have a slightly different code this morning, but that's alright. So, these are, I googled it, these are the different RBGs for the Lego pieces. So, black is 0, red is 180, and green is that one, okay? So then, if we go back to the code, I've added these down the bottom. And so the last number is like the tolerance, like, what's like, what range does it have, I guess. And so if we have a look at this, we can see that it will detect a color, and then it'll give you the RBG values of that, and then it'll say the confidence levels it has that that is the correct color. The thing is, it's not very accurate, but I'm assuming it will be precise. So if I, like you're saying, I doesn't need to say that it's blue, I just need to know the RBG value that it thinks is blue, if that makes sense. So if I put it on the blue one, and then see 25, 25 is 25, 25, 178. And so that's very similar. So I could say that that is blue, exactly. So I could code it so that it thinks that is blue, if that makes sense. Alright, today, well so far, we've narrowed it down to 3 colors, but I think I need to add something to the code so they'll sort it by confidence levels and then select the one with the most confidence, if that makes sense. Because at the moment it's just saying that it's black all the time, even though it says cherry is 100%, whereas black's only 99. And yet it's still saying it's black, but it should be saying that it's cherry red. So hopefully I can work on that.